In module number 68, we will discuss teachers engaging in research as professional development. In this module, we will be discussing through research how the teacher can improve his or her professional competency, professional skills, professional knowledge. Let me give an example. If I want to improve my knowledge, my competency, I can go for the training. I can go to the workshop. I can go to to attend the international conference, national conference, or a group discussion with the seniors, or get mentoring from the seniors. But in this module, we will be discussing how we can improve the professional level of the teachers through the research. Basically, there are different types of the research which are very much related to the field work, particularly the class work. That is action research models, that whatever is being done by the teachers and how the teacher is noting it down, how the teachers is making use of those observations, that is considered as the action research. And the teacher is basically a critical researcher. He realizes, he reflects upon, he notes down, he thinks about the weaknesses of his own as well as the students. And the teacher is a reflective practitioner. Teacher's active participation in the research projects. If he is really active in the research projects, it can improve his or her professional level. And by using the research aspects, it can improve. It connects the teacher with the learner's problems and the learner issues, and also the improvement of the teacher himself. And there is evidence that the research that the teacher researcher words of the deep engagement with the research on the sustained base. There are, if its teacher is really engaged in if the teacher researcher, I am teacher, and while teaching in my class, I am looking after the aspect of the research, action research particularly, that is very big impact on the improvement of my own self as a teacher. The teacher has to be engaged in the research, and there are the significant benefits of this, and this type of the engagement can result into the helpful or the support in developing the curriculum, understanding of the learning process of the student, and the growing critical thinking skills. Research conducted by the teachers is the powerful tool of the professional learning for the teachers, and it is also helpful in improvement of the teaching and the learning of the students and the learning of the teacher himself. It increases the motivation of the teachers and boosts up the confidence of the teachers. Teacher research as a collaborative process. Being reflective teachers, trying new things and observing its impact on the learning, these are the aspects if the teacher looks into considerations, and this becomes as a collaborative process for the teacher as a researcher. There are different ways and means that make the teacher as a researcher. For example, if it is a lesson study model, lesson study is a procedure of the training of the teachers that was initially practiced or invented in the Japan, and the lesson study, that the teachers will sit together and develop the plans and then share with each other and then implement in the class. So this becomes the research conducted by the teachers, and it helps the teachers to encourage them to share their findings, so other benefit as well. And it makes easy the teachers to engage with the research evidence. For example, it is the evidence that if the teacher is soft, what is the result of his behavior on the students? If the teacher is harder in the behavior and is dealings, and what is the result. These are what is the impact on the learning. These are the evidences. So the teacher, and what should the teacher know? What should the teacher do? It making research findings accessible. I should have access to the others' findings, and I should provide the access to the my findings. Identifying context specific evidence. And if I work at in the rural area, this is the context. In the urban area, this is the context. And what is the difference? Making whole school, the teacher should make whole school as a priority, and using appropriate internal and external support. If the teacher shows his interest in or more enrolled or the formal qualification, for example, if I'm a teacher with the B.Ed bachelor degree, if I want to improve my degree, and then this can improve my research skills and my competencies, particularly in the research. And I have to share, for the master degree or the advanced diploma, I have to undergo certain skills that improve my level of knowledge, competency, skills, performance, disposition, etc. There is a need to keep track of the impact of the new strategies which are to be implemented in classroom and across the faculty, across all the teachers. For example, if I am using new knowledge and new findings, for example, I came to know that this is the new method of the teaching of English. If I use it, I should keep on tracking down, noting down, tracking of the things, what kind of the improvement are taking place. And the teacher should encourage the use of the video, and he should record his videos, and this type of the approach can give an objective insight into both learner as well as the teacher's behavior.